pinakamagaling sa akin, yung tingin kong magtatagumpay dito, si Thea. Thea.
Actually, I enjoyed Mikoy a lot.
The best today is Thea.
Less is more. Yun ang ika nga, si Nicole.
I agree.
I like these two. Tonight, I like you too. Bagay na bagay kayo eh. Pareho kayong may tremendous potential na maging stars.
Mas revelation eh. Dahil small package lang eh. Pero maraming sabog pala to.
Glad that I saw you this way because pwede ka palang versatile actress kasi ibang klaseng Thea yung lumabas tonight.
Sasabihin ko sa'yo, isa ka sa mga frontrunners dito sa contest na to. I liked it. I liked your performance tonight.
Talagang talented na talented si Mikoy, especially in terms of his musicality. Pero nakita natin sa acting niya na magaling rin pala siyang umarte.
I thought that was really daring for you to do tonight, no? Kasi hindi ko nakita na marunong ka mag-rap. And the good thing about you is, again, you pulled it off. Okay? And it came so naturally to you.
Thea, you look beautiful. You're blooming. I'd like to think I was part of it. When I said believe in yourself and be more confident, you are tonight. And you sang also beautifully. Bagay na bagay sa iyong kanta.